Awesome! But before you can start buying Bitcoin or exploring the exciting world of DeFi, decentralized finance, there's a crucial step: verification. Now, verification on any crypto exchange can feel like a hurdle, and Gemini is no exception. But fear not, crypto comrades. Today's video tackles the burning question: how long does Gemini verification actually take? We'll be dissecting the process, what factors might influence wait times, and some tips to get verified as smoothly as possible. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the full potential of your Gemini account. Why verify? Security first. Before we delve into wait times, let's talk about why verification exists in the first place. Crypto exchanges like Gemini operate in a highly regulated space. Verification helps them comply with anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. This ensures a safer environment for everyone. It helps prevent fraud and keeps bad actors out. The Gemini verification breakdown. Alright, let's get down to business. Verifying your Gemini account involves a few key steps. Account creation. Sign up for your Gemini account, providing your basic information like name, email address, and a strong password. Identity verification. Here's where things get interesting. You'll need to upload a valid government-issued photo ID, like a driver's license or passport. Make sure the photo is clear, well-lit, and shows all four corners. You'll also need to take a selfie to confirm it's you. Address verification. Provide proof of your current residence. This can be a utility bill, bank statement, or any other official document with your name and address. The big wait: how long does it take? Now, the million-dollar question: how long does this verification process take? Here's the catch: there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Gemini's official estimate is between 2 to 5 business days. However, several factors can influence this time frame. Account volume. During periods of high signups, the verification process might take longer due to increased workload for the Gemini team. Document clarity. Ensure your uploaded documents are clear, not blurry, and meet all the requirements. Any discrepancies or unclear photos can lead to delays. Weekend submissions. Submissions made on weekends might not be processed until the following business week. Tips for a speedy verification. So, how can you streamline the verification process and get verified faster? Here are some pro tips. Prepare documents in advance. Have clear scans or photos of your ID and proof of address readily available before starting the verification process. Double-check everything. Before submitting, ensure all your information is accurate and matches the documents you upload. Avoid peak times. If possible, try to avoid signing up during periods of high volume on the platform. Be patient, but reach out if needed. Remember, Gemini prioritizes security. While waiting, don't bombard their support with unnecessary inquiries. However, if the wait seems excessive beyond the estimated time frame, feel free to reach out to Gemini support for clarification. Beyond verification, keeping your account secure. Once you're verified and ready to roll, remember, security is paramount. Here are some additional tips to keep your Gemini account safe. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your phone in addition to your password when logging in. Beware of phishing scams. Never click on suspicious links or enter your login credentials on any website claiming to be Gemini. Gemini will only contact you through their official channels. Use strong passwords. Avoid using easily guessable passwords or the same password for multiple accounts. Consider using a password manager to generate and manage strong, unique passwords. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crypto adventures, and remember, stay safe out there.